Yes, so what was your question?
Sir, how should beginner deal with the buzz created outside by the various coachings after the result came?
Okay, मतलब how to deal with this uproar caused by result, या यूपीएससी रिजल्ट. अच्छा, आप लोग थोड़ा स्ट्रेस में भी आ जाते हैं या फैमिली से कॉल्स का फ्रिक्वेंसी इंक्रीजेज आफ्टर रिजल्ट. हाँ, ठीक है, होना चाहिए थोड़ा सा प्रेशर टेंशन तो होना ही चाहिए. एनीवेज, डे फॉर स्टडी ऑल्सो आई हैड सजेस्टेड यू कि how you should respond, to present situation here at ORN after UPSC result. हम्म. कल तो मैंने एक वो भी आपको एक शेर भी बोला था. हाँ, कि अब यहाँ लगेगा टॉपर्स का मेला एंड आप बिगिनर्स, यू बिगिनर्स, विल फाइंड योर सेल्फ तन्हा एंड अकेला. यहाँ लगेगा टॉपर्स का मेला और आप अपने आप को पाएंगे तन्हा और अकेला. एनीवेज, ठीक है. देखिए, यू शुड अप्रिसिएट टॉपर्स, यू शुड get motivated, from their prep stories. Some of the toppers, third rank, I guess, fifth or sixth attempt, third attempt, rank one. Yeah. So you can learn, and get motivation from their journey. But as I said, study also, like many of you and many of your seniors, those who are writing prelims, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, those who will write prelims, they will imitate the toppers and they will try to do everything in next 4 5 weeks or 2 3 months. Everything done by a topper in past 3 years of their preparation or 6 years of their preparation, isn't it? तो ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. You should not, like blindly imitate the toppers. Selectively learn, from them. है ना? There are individual differences in academic backgrounds, differences in social cultural background. Yeah, school, college, university, है ना? Individual competencies, and competency is not static, it's dynamic. Yes, na? Today you all are talented. Your talent will turn into merit, over the period of time with completion of UPSC syllabus, general studies topics, sociology syllabus, the topics mentioned in your syllabus. So over the period of time, the talent will turn into merit, will become meritorious. Yeah, more suitable for services, civil services, IAS or other services. So over the period of time. So please don't be in hurry, to do everything done by the toppers in past 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, or 5 years. Many toppers, like rank holders, have journey of last 7 8 years. हाँ, this civil services preparation journey. तो इसलिए have patience, है ना? Earlier also I have said many times कि you are a beginner. Abhi you have started your foundation classes of GS, then your sociology optional class. So in the beginning, be and behave like a beginner. हाँ, don't imitate the finishers or the toppers. अभी imitate नहीं करना है आपने ना उनको ऐसे. Blind imitation should not be there. Yeah. So I hope you understood something. Yes, na? Yes. आपका आपका पॉइंट था ये ना कि सर बहुत स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, वी आर अंडर स्ट्रेस आफ्टर दिस रिजल्ट एंड ऑल. हाँ, तो होता है, नो प्रॉब्लम. पेरेंट्स का कॉल आएगा, पापा कॉल करेंगे, या so no problem, just you have to deal with. Yeah, look, like problem is ki uh, these toppers talk organized by, mostly organized by coaching institutions, and like in that, more than problems, what they did, that is discussed, कि मैंने ये किया, मैंने ये पढ़ा, मैंने ऐसा पढ़ा, मैंने ये काम किया, ये काम किया. So if a topper has a journey of 5 years or 6 years or 3 years, तो फिर they had opportunity to refer, read and learn many books from many coachings, many classes. They had, that opportunity to write many test papers of different, coaching institutions. तो मतलब जिसका जितना लंबा जर्नी, लॉन्ग जर्नी, एंड दे हैड मेनी सच, like opportunities and experiences. अब you have to crack, if you have to crack this exam in very first go, first attempt में जैसे आप टारगेट कर रहे हैं, तो your approach and strategy should be little different from them. Yeah, है ना? Like, तो you have to be selective, right? Following the toppers. If some person is writing his fifth attempt, your senior for say, senior, aspirants, जो आपके पहले से यहाँ preparation में हैं. So in last 5 years, they have studied, all the magazines, all the books available here at ORN, है ना? 5 years में, 4 years में, 3 years में, and you will try to refer and read everything, in next 6 month or 1 year, जो आपका cycle है, उसमें 1.5 year का. तो ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. बी स्मार्ट इन दिस रिगार्ड. इसमें थोड़ा आपको इंटेलिजेंट बनना है. या यू शुड बी इंटेलिजेंट. यस ना? आई होप यू गॉट. या अंडरस्टैंडिंग हिंदी ऑल्सो. यस ना? यस यस, फाइन. सो ओके, सो दिस इज द पॉइंट. एक और some of the students, yesterday asked me regarding pattern of marks. Yeah, कि सर बहुत confusing है. Majority of students, those recommended by UPSC finally for services, their score is almost 40 to 45, I mean ranging in between 35 to 45% in general studies. Their score in general studies ranging from 35 to 45%. मतलब तो यस ट्रू. मैंने भी जो अभी मेरे पास जो स्कोर कार्ड्स आए, तो उसमें मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स का स्कोर इज like around 40%, like 2-3% plus or minus, and they have got recommendation. Yeah, they are recommended. उनके marks sheet के नीचे लिखा हुआ है recommended. Yes ना? तो this is true. Why should you think to obtain 60%, 600, 700? है ना? नहीं करो ऐसा irrational target. This 400 is ideal range, after change in syllabus in year 2013. तो चाहे आप 10 टेस्ट सीरीज लिख लो, या you take classes from all corporate coachings, mentorship classes or test series in general studies, ये जो एवरेज स्कोर है जीएस का लास्ट 10 ईयर से, दैट इज 400 प्लस माइनस. हाँ, मे बी सम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, some of successful, aspirants, they have also obtained around 500 marks. Previous years may be, this year also may be, but those 500, like limited to toppers, top 10, maybe 20 ranks, 10, matlab top 20, yeah. Majority of the successful candidates, obtain 400 plus 2%, 3% और minus 2, 3%. This is the range in general studies. तो एक प्रैक्टिकल प्रैग्मेटिक टारगेट यही रखो 400, राइट. होता क्या है कि लाइक right from the beginning your orientation is to study lot of general studies. नाम है जनरल स्टडी बट यू प्रेप लाइक स्पेशल स्टडी. आप स्पेशल स्टडी के जैसा प्रेप करते हो उसको, है ना. एंड दैट बिकॉज द बज क्रिएटेड बाय टॉपर स्टॉक एंड मार्केटिंग्स या कॉरपोरेट्स का जो मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी है. तो दिस इज आजकल तो सॉफ्ट मार्केटिंग थ्रू मोटिवेशनल टॉक्स. बिकम अ मोटिवेशनल गुरु एंड adopt soft marketing strategy, motivate not only the students, the candidates, but their parents too. Parents are highly motivated, you know, these days, particularly from Hindi belt. जो हिंदी मीडियम से बच्चे आते वो तो बिल्कुल वहाँ उनके पेरेंट्स मोटिवेटेड होते मोटिवेशनल टॉक्स सुनकर. मोटिवेशनल टॉक्स और वहाँ से आते इधर मोटिवेशन फॉर मोर मोटिवेशनल टॉक्स और मोटिवेशनल टॉक्स लेकर चले भी जाते. हिंदी मीडियम से रिजल्ट इज़ वेरी डिसमल. 24 to 50 अगर हुआ भी है तो दिस इज़ वेरी पुअर परफॉर्मेंस हिंदी बेल्ट से. मेनी ऑफ यू बिलोंग, मेजोरिटी ऑफ यू आई गेस बिलोंग टू हिंदी बेल्ट. या सो नाउ ये सब है. अब इसमें लाइक ठीक है, सब ठीक है, चलते रहने दो जो चल रहा है. आपको यू हैव टू बी प्रैक्टिकल एंड प्रैग्मेटिक इन योर अप्रोच. आपको प्रैक्टिकल एंड प्रैग्मेटिक बनना है अपने अप्रोच में, है ना. यू हैव टू डिसाइड कि हाउ मच टाइम यू हैव टू डेडिकेट टू जनरल स्टडीज. दैट इज वन एरिया ऑफ मेंस एंड ऑप्शनल एंड एसे अदर एरिया. कोई भी ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट हो, राइट. ऑप्शनल एंड एसे का एक एरिया. In optional and essay, you will see majority of the students have obtained 55% plus. Yeah. या यहाँ भी लाइक आई गेस कल उन्होंने दिया था ना yesterday. इसमें we have some score cards here. You can see optional 273, 54%. GS 41, 1. This student personality test में he appeared by default, could not score well and not recommended. Yeah, so see, है ना. Aditi 41% in GS, optional 57%. Yeah, total in optional and essay 423 and total marks in general studies 410. You can learn from here. Yeah. Arnav 441, 44%, 285, 57%. Right? Many, like we'll see 54% in sociology plus essay. In sociology 59, 295 out of 500, 59%. Here 43.6%, total in GS. Right. 45.8% in general studies, 55.33% in optional, optional plus essay, right? 59.2%, 296 out of 500 in optional sociology, 296, 500 in optional paper, right? So, like such pattern, you should learn from such pattern, 390. Yeah, this candidate is also recommended. I mean, these are marks as statement of candidates belonging to different categories, open general category to OBC to, right. 293 in sociology. Yeah, 293 in sociology out of 500, 58%, 390. So this is 382 recommended, 382, 38%, 272, 54%. Optional में. So this is 299 out of 500 in optional, 59.8%, 368, 36% in all general studies paper. So, like, I will suggest you to have, practical targets. Practical targets रखिए, है ना. Here also optional का score 54% and GS 41%, all 4 papers of GS, right? 72 in GS3, 99 in GS1. What I mean to say, you have to be, practical. You have to be practical, pragmatic in your approach. You must learn from this marking pattern actually. इस pattern से आपको learn करना चाहिए. A scorecard से learn करना चाहिए. You should learn. What happens कि in this topper stock, these things are not discussed. Coachings in their orientation will not highlight these facts. Yeah, ये तो आप चूँकि क्लास में आज हैं तो मैं ये बात कर रहा हूँ. Yes, you all are beginner actually. And this is what happening, like particularly after prelims and before mains, in between prelims and mains, majority of the students imitate toppers, are influenced by topper stock, and try to overread everything. Majority overread current affairs. And after writing mains paper, they realize that hardly 5 to 10% contribution is there of current affairs in all GS 4 papers. I mean GS 1, 2, 3, 4, all. But like if you see allocation of time allotment, yeah, so majority of aspirants, you will see they give 80%, 70 to 80% of their time to general studies. Overread, overwrite the test, overread the content, and toppers notes and all. So it's my problem. One should be practical, one should be practical. 400 is, the score majority of the aspirants are getting in out of 1000 marks. So you should target accordingly. You should dedicate your time accordingly. If you are fetching 300 in your optional, any optional subject, right? 150 you can 140 इस बार भी कई बच्चों का 140 आया 140s में स्कोर although average score is low in essay paper फिर भी 140s में रजत यादव 141 many such students. So you should target, like dedicate a balanced, time. You should have balanced approach. Like one area, general studies of 1000 marks, where your target should be of 400 to 450. And other area, optional plus essay, you should target fetching, obtaining 450, 150 essay, and 300 in optional, whatever optional you have. So this is एक balanced targeting, balanced approach रखो, है ना? Biased approach नहीं, general studies, क्योंकि इतना ये buzz has been created by marketing, by topper stock, है ना? ये सब इतना ज़्यादा एक uproar create कर दिया गया है GS के बारे में. GS में होना चाहिए approach less and less from more and more, लेकिन उधर क्या करते हैं approach more and more, है ना? 20 क्वेश्चन लिखना है एक पेपर के अंदर. पता चलता है ऐसा प्रिपरेशन अपन करते हैं जैसे कि यू हैव टू राइट 200 क्वेश्चंस. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, है ना? तो थोड़ा यू आर बिगिनर्स, सो आई एम शेयरिंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स. सो प्रेप अकॉर्डिंगली. यस ना? यस.